everybody, this is Black China coming to you with a wig tutorial, and I wanted to share the lip color that I have on today. You see that lip color there? That is Super Stay MAC Ink by Maybelline. That is this color here. And let me tell you something. It comes in a lot of colors. I have a couple of them here. Let me show you. I'm trying to keep this. Okay. A couple of them here. Okay. And let me just tell you, to me, these are the best matte lipsticks out right now because they stay on. When I say they stay on, and they're not drying to the mouth. So you have to check that out when you get a chance. Okay, another thing, the wig we're gonna be reviewing today is the Jillian Wig. Now, I only seen one person do this wig, and I was like, either it's because it's hard to do, or this thing is just ugly. So I love a challenge, so I went ahead and ordered it. It was on sale for $14.99. I got it in black, and I also got it in red, but I'm going to show you guys the red one today. Yeah, the red one, and it's by Bobbi Boss. Okay, that is what we're gonna be doing today. All right, so here is the wig. Here she is. Nice red vibrant color, like an auburn color. Got two adjustable straps and ear tabs, no combs. Okay, so you sisters who like combs, this ain't gonna be the wig for you, or you're gonna have to put in some bobby pins. Okay, so you put it on. Let's put it on. Make sure your ear tabs are adjusted, and bam, tell me I don't look like a turkey. No. Okay, now when you first get this wig, it is stiff as hell, and I washed it first. So my suggestion to you is wash the wig first, hang it upside down, and let it dry, so that it can give you some, so that you can maneuver the wig a little better. Okay. Now, so make sure you adjust it. All your straps, pull your tail down. Okay. Now, once you did all of that, you can maneuver this wig very well. It is tapered very well here. The color is extraordinary. Now, once I've done all that, then I can maneuver this wig the way I want it. Okay? But you have to wash it first. If you don't wash it first, what I just showed you, it's just stuck like that. You look like a damn rooster or some shit. I don't know. So you have to wash it. I washed it and conditioned it and let it dry. And just let it sit for a minute. But you can, you can do everything with it once you do all that. Okay? So, there you go. Now, this is her. I have not cut this wig yet, and I don't know if I have to. It looks, boy, I tell you, this dog. I swear he want to be on YouTube or something. Every time I get to making a video, he got something to say. Anyway, okay, so once you finish doing all of that to the wig or whatever, pretty much when you order it, take it out, wash it, condition it, hang it up, forget about it. okay, and let it do its thing, because you have to loosen up whatever the hell they had going on at the top of this thing. Okay, but this is Jillian in all her glory, honey. This is the back. So once you wash it and condition it, she will relax, and you know, you can do things with her. Okay, now when you first get it, this is what it look like. Not even like that, but it's just look, it'll be stuck just like that. You're like, what the fuck am I supposed to do with that? But this part is like straight up, okay? And it's like, and then you be trying to move it, it will not move or whatever. So that's why I'm telling you, you have to really condition this thing. If not, you're going to have hell on your hands trying to get it to do what you want it to do. And you see how once I condition, I can do whatever I want to do with it. I can move it and shape it and do all kind of mess. Okay, so I'm not trying to make this a long video or whatever, but I just want to come in and show you guys this new little new little gem that I think you guys are overlooking, because of that packaging make it look like a damn turkey. And nobody want to be wearing no turkey hair. Okay, but anyway, I done styled it a couple of different ways for y'all. This hair, you can do a lot with it. You can do a lot with it. You just have to be, first thing you have to do is wash her. That's it. You don't wash her first, you don't have problems. Okay, guys. So this is the Jillian, and she is cute to boot. And I got her off of, I believe it's Sam. Was it Sam's? Sam's Beauty? No. Ebony line. Yeah, it was Ebony line. And it was $7.99. They was having that sale. Yeah, she was $7.99. But I'm for sure now she's probably more money. Or whatever. She was on sale. So when you have a chance, and when you can go shopping and you're thinking about getting a little shorty do, I suggest that you get the Jillian, because even though on a stock card she looks a little like a bird or some mess, once you give her a little wash and a little shake, girlfriend, good to go. Okay? Alright, guys, this is Black China coming to you with a little secret. And you probably overlooked my girl, Jillian. But if you are wanting a new little shorty do, and the color